But do men not suffer from the same flaws that women are supposed to have? Questioned Tarabai Shinde, a feminist activist who protested patriarchy and caste in 19th century India. Born in the town of Bulanda in Maharashtra, her family was a part of the socially elite Maratha community. Though she did not receive a formal education, she learned to read and write Marathi, some English and Sanskrit at home under the guidance of her father. She was an avid reader, well versed in both classical and modern literature. The publication of her 40-page essay, Stree Purush Tulna in 1882, marked a decisive moment in the era of Indian feminist movements. Her work was a response to the Vijayalakshmi case in which a young Brahmin widow was murdered for aborting her illegitimate child. Tarabai's text criticized articles that questioned the morality of Indian women. The book challenged the norms that forbade widow remarriage and established a rigid code of conduct for women. The Orthodox community was visibly taken aback by the publication of her work. She faced heavy criticism from newspapers and several reformers, including colleagues of Jyotirao Phule. Tarabai was a part of Satya Shodhak Samaj set up by Jyotirao and Savitribai Phule. She was a part of their initiative to set up a school for the education of lower caste girls and a shelter for upper caste widows who were socially forbidden from remarrying. Religions or religious practices that restricted women's freedoms were also sharply condemned by Tarabai. Tarabai challenged Hindu gods, arguing that they deprived women of equal rights and the freedom to live with dignity. She viewed Brahmanism as a tool for oppressing women. According to her, the Puranas imposed orthodox norms and conventions that restricted and controlled women's lives, such as the expectation that a woman must always preserve her virtue and submit her body solely to her husband. She openly spoke about the sexual desires of the widows and wives ignored by their husbands. She argued for equal punishment for the man and woman for committing adultery instead of only penalizing women. In her critique of the gender politics of colonial society, she pointed out that men had been given a new sense of power by the British, which led them to try to deny women any freedom by confining them to their homes and shackling them to a strict religious culture. As one of the first modern Indian feminist texts that help us locate the first wave of feminism in India, Stree Purush Tulna holds relevance even today. Tarabai Shinde's voice against injustice resonated for over a century. How can we use her ideas to advance women's rights today? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video.